If you caught Friday's live video, you will know that we did not finish our products. We went in with some DIY beadboard and we just used that on all the pieces that I had out on Friday. And one of these was this pedestal dish, and you saw it at the beginning what it looked like before. And both these and the sconces were both gold, that gold tone. But what I'm doing here is I'm just coming in with a wet rag and I'm wet distressing this whole piece. And I come in and wet distress all the pieces that we did on Friday's live, which is this pedestal bowl, the two sconces, and the little glass holder that I'm going to put that pink rose into. So just coming in, just a wet rag and my hand and some firm rubbing here because that paint was thoroughly dried on. It dried overnight. I came in and painted the base just to make it a nicer look, and then we come in and do the jars. And if you see the sconce on the side, I did the same wet distressing and pulled out that gold tone and elements on it. And I didn't want to show every distressing piece because it's kind of the same process, and I didn't want to bore you too much, but you guys know the process of coming in with the wet distress and taking off that gold. And at the end I came in with Big Top After Show and I sealed everything. If you missed a live, go check it out over on my Facebook business page. You can catch me live every Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.